Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. Today's video is the fourth video of the series British Rule in India. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, then link is in the description, go check it out.
So here we go. First question. The mutiny was brought to an end with the fall of blank into the hands of British in India. Options are Meerut, Awadh, Gwalior, Rohilkhand, and the answer is Gwalior. Moving on, Lord Cornwallis had introduced the land tenure system called options are Zamindari, Rotwari, Mahalwari, or Imamdari, and the answer is Zamindari. Moving on, Lytton was selected as Viceroy to India to fulfill the ambitious plans of Disraeli in options are Awadh, Afghanistan, Bengal, or Burma, and the answer is Afghanistan. Moving on, who said the exploitative nature of British rule was bleeding India white? Options are Tilak, Dadabhai Naroji, A.O. Hume, or Annie Besant, and the answer is Dadabhai Naroji. Moving on, when were Morley Minto reforms taken place? Options are 1905, 1909, 1919, or 1857, and the answer is 1909. Moving on, the writers of the East India Company had their training in the college at options are London, Manchester, Liverpool, or Haileybury, and the answer is Haileybury. Moving on, Gandhiji's famous Quit India movement call to the British was given in options are 1943, 1941, 1942, or 1940, and the answer is 1942. Moving on, which lord is regarded to have been the father of local self-government in India? Options are Ripon, Bentinck, Curzon, or Mayo, and the answer is Ripon. Moving on, which warlord is also known as Little Corporal? Options are Alexander, Julius Caesar, Napoleon Bonaparte, and Genghis Khan, and the answer is Napoleon Bonaparte. Next question, who set up the dual system of administration in Bengal? Options are Robert Clive, Lord Wellesley, Dupleix, or Lord Macaulay, and the answer is Robert Clive. Moving on, Lord Lytton had lowered the age limit for Indians for the ICS from 21 years to options are 20 years, 19 years, 18 years, or 17 years, and the answer is 19 years. Next question, the greatest contribution of the British rule to the growth of Indian nationalism was options are introduction of Western education in India, racial arrogance of the British, denial of higher jobs to deserving Indians, or Queen's Proclamation of 1858, and the answer is introduction of Western education in India. Moving on, during the viceroyalty of Sir John Lawrence, the bone of contention between India and Bhutan was options are Duas, Jalpaiguri, Gwalpara, or Cooch Behar, and the answer is Duars. Moving on, when did Vasco da Gama arrive in Calicut, India? Options are 1398, 1495, 1496, or 1498, and the answer is 1498. Moving on, in the 18th century, the royal right in the affairs of the English East India Company was controlled by options are the Viceroy Council, the Indian Legislature, the Parliament of England, or the Secretary of the State, and the answer is the Parliament of England. Moving on, which of the following British Prime Minister headed the first Round Table Conference in London? Options are Churchill, Ramsay MacDonald, Chamberlain, or Disraeli, and the answer is Ramsay MacDonald. Moving on, in 1661, the company obtained blank from Charles II. Options are Bombay, Madras, Kannur, or Calcutta, and the answer is Bombay. Moving on, who among the following viceroys became a victim of one of the convicts during his visit to the Andamans? Options are Curzon, Mayo, Ripon, or Lytton, and the answer is Mayo. Moving on, India was granted freedom during the British Prime Minister. Options are Clement Attlee, Winston Churchill, Ramsay MacDonald, or William Pitt, and the answer is Clement Attlee. Moving on, which of the following Act of India ensured the partition of India? Options are Government of India Act 1909, Government of India Act 1919, Government of India Act 1935, or none of these. And the answer is Government of India Act 1919.
So this is it for today guys. If you found the video informative, then do like it and share it with your friends. I'll be uploading GK questions daily, so do subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates. Thank you.